Welcome to 3-Minute Mechanic, where we make the long and tedious fast and easiest. Today we're working on a BMW 328D, changing out the cabin air filter, which is located right underneath the glove compartment on the passenger side. Underneath the glove compartment, you'll find two 10mm nuts that are quite easy to unscrew. This is the cabin filter I purchased from Amazon, Breathe Easy Cabin Air Filter. Link will be in the description. You'll notice that both nuts are in an awkward position underneath the glove compartment. With little effort, both of them should come out. Once removed, put these in a safe place. Once both nuts are removed, you'll now be able to pull off the paneling. This will be fairly easy to do, but you do want to be extra careful not to damage the electrical plugs. There's one on the left-hand side and one in the middle. Pull these out very carefully. Once removed, you'll uncover the cabin air filter compartment. This is enclosed with two T20 screws. Once the screws are removed, just pull back the clip on the plastic encasing and pull the filter out. It will be in a curved position and it'll take a little force to get out. Here you'll see the before and after pictures of each filter. Next is a very important step. You want to make sure that the arrow is facing towards the front of the vehicle. Once this is ensured, you can now put the filter in place, make sure it fits snug, and close it back up with the same cover. You should hear it clip into place. You'll then use the two T20 screws to tighten everything back up. Now it's time to put the paneling back into place. You'll start by connecting the middle connection. Be careful, as this part is very fragile. Next, you'll want to place both beige plastic clips on the inside into their respective places and try and finagle your way into the correct position. You'll notice that on the left, you'll want to make sure that the electric connection gets plugged back in prior to putting things back into place. Here you'll notice on the left-hand side that the paneling fits perfectly into the middle console. This will help you line things up. Once this is done, ensure that all the holes line up. You'll have a couple on the left, one on the right. Once they're all lined up, make sure nothing's going to get squished. Give it a couple pushes and everything fits perfectly into place, like a glove. Lastly, tighten up both nuts and you're good to go. You'll be breathing easy knowing that you just saved money on changing your own cabin air filter. Thank you for joining us. Like and subscribe.